toute la belle vie ici.
Now living in Quebec, Derek Spears brought his partner to Halifax to help her understand his pain.
That day changed me and made me who I am today.
Spears was a cook on board HMCS Chicoutimi when fire broke out.
Here's the date we had the fire.
He now lives with a fractured back as a result of a seizure induced by PTSD.
No electricity, the soot was black, the flashlights wouldn't shine through the smoke. We couldn't see anything. I managed to get my mask on. I just said, oh great, I'm gonna die like this.
Today, the Navy's top brass revealed 60% of Chicoutimi's crew was diagnosed with PTSD within 5 years of the fire. Another 15% was diagnosed with depression, and half of them were deemed medically unfit to continue sailing.
I think it's a false number. I think about 100% of the crew has PTSD.
The Navy studied the health of the submariners for 5 years before the fire and 5 years after. The prevalent physical illness was asthma.
The soot, we ingested it, we had it on our skin, we breathed it in.
The Navy says there was no cancer within the study's time frame, but the widow of one Chicoutimi sailor confirms he died 3 years ago of lung cancer. Derek Spears was diagnosed with skin cancer. Both say they don't know whether the fire was to blame.
Cancer, a lot of different causes for it. It's multifactorial. We don't always know in the medical community what risk factors are at play.
The study's results are a decade out of date. The Navy's commander admits there is no good reason for the delay.
I have offered and will continue to offer my unreserved apology to the ex-crew and to their families.
He is pledging to conduct further studies into the sailors' health.
Damn.
For now, Derek Spears is taking things day by day and focusing on the good ones. Kayla Hounsel, CBC News, Halifax.